Replace old copper pipe with modern connections using PEX and threaded adapters to avoid soldering. Start by turning off the main water supply and draining the lines by opening faucets and a low drain point to remove standing water. Use a self-ratcheting pipe cutter to score and cut the copper cleanly, leaving a smooth, square end, and then deburr the inside and outside of the pipe with a round reamer to prevent nicking the liner or creating flow restriction. Measure and plan each run so PEX lengths are straight and supported every 30 inches for horizontal runs and every 4 feet for vertical runs using approved pipe clips or straps. For transitions from copper to PEX, use push-to-connect fittings or brass threaded adapters rated for potable water, making sure to clean the copper with emery cloth and remove any burrs so the seal sits flush. When using threaded fittings, apply Teflon tape wrapped clockwise around the male threads, followed by a light smear of pipe joint compound on top of the tape to improve sealing for metal-to-metal threads. Tighten to manufacturer torque recommendations, but avoid over-tightening, which can crack fittings. After completing connections, turn the water on slowly while observing every joint for leaks, then pressurize the system and check again after 24 hours of normal use. Common mistakes include leaving burrs or rough edges after cutting, which can score or puncture PEX liners and cause leaks or reduced flow. Fix this by reaming and smoothing both the inside and the outside of the copper immediately after cutting. Another frequent issue is failing to support PEX properly, which leads to sagging and noisy water hammer. Prevent that by securing runs with the correct spacing of clips and installing a water hammer arrestor near quick closing valves. A third problem is improper thread sealing on metal fittings where people either forget tape or wrap it counterclockwise, causing leaks. Always wrap Teflon tape clockwise and add a light layer of compound before tightening to hand, plus a quarter turn with a wrench. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide resources for plumbing upgrades so our community can compare methods like PEX transitions and solderless options. We also host an active discussion community where members and contractors share tips, ask questions, and post job leads, so our platform helps contractors find work and homeowners get practical advice.